Today we are going to share some valuable tips on creating a healthy and happy home. Your home should be a place of comfort, joy, and tranquility. And with these simple yet effective tips, you can transform your living space into a haven for happiness. So let's dive right in. Segment 1: Declutter your space. The first step to a happy home is decluttering. Clutter can add unnecessary stress and chaos to your life. Start by going through each room and getting rid of items you no longer need, or use, donate, sell, or recycle these items, and you'll be amazed at how much lighter you feel. Once you've decluttered, find smart storage solutions to keep things organized. A tidy and organized home brings a sense of calmness and serenity. Segment 2: Create a calming ambience. Creating a calming ambience is crucial for a happy home. Pay attention to lighting, as it can greatly impact your mood. Opt for soft, warm lights in the evenings to create a cozy atmosphere, and use bright, natural light during the day to uplift your spirits. Incorporate soothing scents like lavender, vanilla, or eucalyptus with candles or essential oil diffusers. Pleasant aromas can reduce stress and promote relaxation. Segment 3: Foster positive relationships. A healthy home is not just about the physical space, it's about the people within it. Make an effort to foster positive relationships with your family members and housemates. Communication is key. Take time to listen to each other, express your feelings, and resolve conflicts peacefully. Create bonding rituals such as family dinners or game nights to strengthen your connections and create beautiful memories together. Segment 4: Nurture your mind and body. A happy home is one that nurtures both the mind and body. Encourage a healthy lifestyle by incorporating nutritious meals and regular exercise into your daily routine. Set up a designated space for relaxation and self-care, whether it's a cozy reading nook or a yoga corner. Taking care of yourself is essential for overall happiness. Segment 5: Bring nature indoors. Bringing a touch of nature indoors can do wonders for your home's ambience. Indoor plants not only add a pop of color, but also improve air quality and reduce stress. If you have a garden or balcony, consider creating a green oasis where you can unwind and connect with nature. Segment 6: Spread kindness. One of the most rewarding ways to create a happy home is by spreading kindness within your household and your neighbors and community. Small acts of kindness like helping a neighbor or volunteering can create a positive and harmonious atmosphere that benefits everyone. Thank you for joining us today as we explored these fantastic tips for a healthy and happy home. Remember, transforming your living space into a haven of happiness is within your reach. Start small, make gradual changes, and watch as your home becomes a place of joy and serenity for everyone who enters it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our future content. Until next time, take care and be kind to one another. Bye.